Hey everybody, welcome back at Maximum Voice. Today we are going to the head. But not only to the head, we're going to the head voice. And what I would like to show you is the mixed voice in the head and compare it to a classical head voice and like more airy head voice. So you can see which choices you have, what you can use or cannot use. There already is one head voice video if you like to go check it out first and come back here. Otherwise, just stay with me. We are going to use a passage from Memories from Cats because I think everybody knows that. So most of you might have the first really clean note in your head. You start with a very nice midnight, not a sound from the pavement as the moon lost her memory. She is smiling alone. So now that you're updated on what we're doing, let's check that out. So what is necessary to produce a good head voice? Before we start the note, we want to have it in our head already, hear it, feel it, want to establish our support. We need to have a good pelvis floor support before we sing the note. We need to have a little hit to get to the note. If you have any other questions to support, please check out my other video. It's on my channel too. Just go to the support video and learn about your personal support. If you've done that, you can come back here and sing with us in the head voice. First of all, we want to set up a certain pressure, having the note in our head, and you can just start with the first note, just trying to hit that really brilliantly. There you can already establish where your sound should be in the end. This was already very middle-ish. If I would do it in a pure head voice, I would go a little bit more like The difference here is I'm using much more of my mouth cavity and a little less of my nasal cavities. Or if I want to do it a little bit more airy, like floaty little pop song, I want to have a very open throat for it. I need to let some extra air come through. Midnight, not a sound from the pavement. That one will use much more air. So you will have to manage your airflow much better. So these are the general sounds. What we want to do now is to focus on this middle head voice, meaning we're taking parts of our head voice range and put it into the mixed voice to create a brilliant head voice sound without going too classical. Here again, I did it in the other mixed videos too. You need to have a good middle seat. You can try it by go really on a nasty little child voice. So you can go like midnight, not a sound from the pavement, and so on, just to have this activated. And I'm gonna show you now how I fade out that nasty sound by putting a little bit more of my head voice in it. Midnight, not a sound from the pavement as the moon lost her memory. She is smiling alone. So here you could hear that I had this very narrow, middle-ish voice, and just bit by bit put more of my head voice into the mix. You can do it also otherwise, like the other way around. So we start with the head voice and we put more and more mixed voice in. Midnight, not a sound from the pavement as the moon lost her memory. She is smiling alone. Whatever way is more suitable for you. Some need the mixed voice first, some need the head voice first. But in the end, we want to merge that to have this full, brilliant, musical, popish-like head voice. So once more for you to hear the differences, this would be a more classical head voice. Midnight, not a sound from the pavement. Has the moon lost her memory? She is smiling alone. This would be more popish, airy. This next one is more the popish, airy voice. Midnight, not a sound from the pavement. Has the moon lost her memory? She is smiling alone. And now we go to the mixed voice that we are trying to achieve in this video. Midnight, not a sound from the pavement. Has the moon lost her memory? She is smiling alone. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit, to show you options on head voice. Never forget your support and your breath flow is super important with that too. So always kind of check on it too. And have fun experiencing. Thank you so much. Leave a like if you liked it. Leave a comment if there are other questions to it, or if you want to suggest a topic or a song. Subscribe to the channel if possible. I would be happy to have you with me. Bye.